Rare, forgotten, fixable. Today we're looking at 10 classic cars and project cars for sale, some rare imports, some honest farm trucks, and a few true restoration candidates. Let's start in Santa Barbara. Number 1. 1969 Peugeot 404, $5,000, Santa Barbara, California. Here's something you don't see every day, a 1969 Peugeot 404. Four-cylinder, rear-wheel drive, automatic transmission. Odometer shows 35,014 miles, clean title, finished in green. The 404 was Peugeot's durable, no-nonsense sedan, known worldwide for reliability, especially in rough road conditions overseas. Independent suspension, comfortable ride, simple mechanical layout. Seller calls it a beautiful project car. At $5,000, this isn't a restored European collector piece. This is an entry-level vintage import. Parts take effort. It's not a small block Chevy, but that's part of the appeal. You show up to a Cars and Coffee in this, nobody else has one. Number 2. 1963 Ford F100 4x4, $9,500, Carpinteria, California. Next up, a 1963 Ford F100 Factory 4x4. Ranch truck most of its life, 292 Y-block V8, 4-speed manual on the floor, clean title. Odometer shows 32,000 miles. Seller believes it hasn't rolled over past 132,000. It drives around town, but low gearing and tall, skinny pizza cutter tires mean freeway driving isn't ideal. That's honest. This isn't restored. It's described as fair condition, old truck problems, but factory 4x4 F100s from the early 60s, those always have a following. This feels like a truck that's worked hard and survived. Number 3. 1966 Volkswagen Baja Beetle, $9,500, Grover Beach, California. A 1966 Volkswagen Beetle Baja build. Manual transmission, 1600cc engine, clean title, 44,444 miles showing. Built as a Baja, cut fenders, lifted stance, off-road style. Seller bought it for his daughter but says it's a bit intimidating for a first car. That tells you something about the driving experience. These cars are simple, air-cooled, lightweight, easy to work on. At $9,500, it's priced higher than a stock Beetle, but Baja builds have their own crowd. It's not a showpiece, it's a personality car. Number 4. 1967 Jeep CJ5, $8,500, Grover Beach, California. Now we're talking serious old-school off-road. A 1967 Jeep CJ5 with the 225 Dauntless V6. Four-wheel drive, Dana 30 front, Dana 44 rear, limited slips, manual locking hubs, 4-speed with a granny low Muncie gear, 427 degrees crawl ratio. Full halo roll cage, Meyer steel top with removal doors, 5-point harnesses, CB radio, even aftermarket air conditioning. This one's built for hunting, rock crawling, or just getting way off the pavement. 70,000 miles showing, clean title. This is a working rig, not restored, not polished, built with purpose. Number 5. 1966 Chevrolet C20 3/4 ton, $9,500, Bakerfield, California. Here's a survivor. A 1966 Chevrolet C20 3/4 ton pickup with a straight 6 and manual transmission. 77,849 miles showing, clean title, runs good. Seller calls it a true survivor, and that patina is part of the charm. Original style paintwear, honest work truck look. New tires, freshly upholstered bench seat. The C20 3/4 ton trucks are tougher than the half tons, built to work. You could leave it exactly as it is, or take it toward a street rod build. Either way, it's a piece of mid-60s American truck history.
Number 6. 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible, $7,000. A 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible, V8 automatic, original C-code 289 2-barrel. Blue with black interior, originally silver frost from the factory. Been in the same family since the 1960s, ran when parked 15 years ago. Needs complete restoration. Floors have repairable rust. Engine compartment and shock towers are described as solid. Trunk area is nice. Interior is complete and original. Dash not cracked. Sold with bill of sale. Seller says title can be obtained. $7,000 for a complete V8 convertible Mustang project? That's restoration territory, but it's also one of the cheapest entry points into first-generation Mustang convertible ownership. Number 7. 1960 Ford F-250, $8,500, San Diego, California. A 1960 Ford F-250 California Original with black plates. Rebuilt 223 inline-six, 3-speed manual on the column, 100,000 miles. Seller says no through rust, clean undercarriage, 0 oil leaks, gauges and lights all working. New interior, new BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. This one sounds sorted, a solid driver with patina. Not a project, more of a usable classic truck. Number 8. 1963 Chevrolet C20 Stepside, $9,000, San Diego, California. This one's modernized. A 1963 Chevrolet C20 Stepside with an LS 6.0 LQR swap and 4L ADE transmission. Holley Terminator X management, dyno tuned in 2023, 300 horsepower to the wheels. Power steering, power brakes, drive-by-wire throttle, fuel tank relocated under bed, sound system installed. This is not a restoration, this is a Restomod street truck. Seller says it'll spin tires into third gear and cruise 65 miles per hour at 2,500 RPM. For $9,000, that's a lot of drivetrain. Number 9. 1967 Ford F100, $3,500, Pomona, California. A 1967 Ford F100 project at I-Pull U-Pull Auto Parts. Salvage title, no key, listed as a fixer-upper. $3,500 plus tax. This is bare bones project territory. You're buying potential. Mid-60s F100s are popular builds. Parts are everywhere, but this one will need commitment. Number 10. 1965 Chevrolet Suburban K10 4x4, $4,500, Camarillo, California. Last one, and it's interesting. A 1965 Chevrolet Suburban Carryall K10 factory 4x4. Seller says one of only 444 built. Former school bus, 6-cylinder engine included but needs rebuilding. Manual transmission, clean California non-op title. Body has rust. This is a real project. Factory 4x4 Suburbans from the mid-60s are rare. Most were worked hard, few survived. At $4,500, you're buying rarity and work. That's 10 classic cars and project cars for sale. European sedan, ranch tarks, Baja Beetles, rock crawlers, convertibles, and rare 4x4 Suburbans. Some are drivers. Some are full restorations. Some are true garage projects. If you enjoy real-world classic cars for sale, not auction hype, stick around. More classic cars and project cars coming soon. And if you appreciate honest finds like these, subscribe and follow for the next one.